So may problema. Nuhunong may problema.
Nung nag-hazard si Ja, actually, we as Ja mag-hazard, di kami nung sakay. Kaya tagpipipan si Ja.
Ano din doon? May active way doon.
Kaya nga. And then it's the main, you know? It's like, napipip si Ja, you're not supposed to do that here. It's like gloomy today. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. Sabado na mag-practice kay si Ate Grace magpaawit. Hindi na pwede na pan Friday night mag-practice kay trabaho man na sila. Cornerstone man na din no? Ay. La 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 in righteousness. Cornerstone. Commercial buildings sila gapon ni ba? Or let's say condo, no?